Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the commands below for installing the Docker engine. Install Docker the Community Edition by running the following command. Then install Docker Compose, which is also required by body. So run the following command. Set an appropriate permission for the downloaded script. Install body on Ubuntu system by running the next command. Wait until all containers downloaded as shown. When the download and install is completed, adjust body by opening your favorite browser and navigate to your IP address. Complete the required steps. Point at your organization, email and password. After that, create a new workspace, and from now on you can work with the body. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.